Hello guys, Hiransh here, and today I'm here with a new project with the help of AI tool ChatGPT. So, we know what is mortgage. So there are different kinds of loan. There's car loan, there is home loan, and for all the different kinds of loan, we have to pay monthly mortgage. It is also known as EMI. So, today we are going to create an automation, a mortgage calculator in Excel with the help of AI tool ChatGPT. So, So I will start the process. I'll first go into Excel. I will get a new document, files. I will save it as XLSM. It is XLSX by default. I will go to wherever I want to save the file. I will name it mortgage calculator in XLSM format, which is nothing but Excel macro. Now, what I will do, I will click on top right here, customize the ribbon. I will get this dialog box where I will enable the developer mode. Okay, here the developer has appeared. Visual Basic, the macro Visual Basic has opened. Now we click here. Here is where I will enter the code which I will get from ChatGPT. I already have the code written over here. Forget all about the previous instructions. Imagine that you are an expert in creating Excel macros. Write a macro to create a mortgage calculator based on the input data given. All amount in USD and maximum number decimal is 2 digits. We will enter it here. The chat GPT will analyze the uh, entire prompt and it will give me the code accordingly. Here we have the code. We'll click on copy code. We'll go to our Visual Basic, paste it here and click on save. Okay. Alt F11. I will go back to the page. I will go to view macro. I will run this. So here I will type in um, 600 600,000 and I will type in 8.1. I'll type in 5 years and here I've got the output. So this is how you make a mortgage calculator. But what if you don't want any kind of automation? You just want calculation in order to calculate some mortgage for a little value. So for that also you can get formulas from ChatGPT. For that what I will do is I have created this Excel file with all the details in the different cells. Okay. What I will do is I have the code right here. Forget about all the previous instructions. Imagine that you are an expert in creating Excel function and formulas. Give me the function to calculate mortgage payment. In cell B2, I have loan amount. In cell B3, I enter the interest in percentage. And before I have loan tenure, the final mortgage amount should be in 2 decimal. This is entirely according to where and whatever you write in your cell. It is according to cell locations. So I will write enter here and it will analyze my prompt. Yeah, we get I got the code. I will just click on copy code and I will enter it here. See, I got the amount monthly mortgage amount. I can change the values like the previous one which I entered 600,000 8.1 and 5 years. See, same amount 12. So you can do it according to you whatever method you like, you can use it. And this is my project on automation using AI tool in Excel. Thank you so much.